I want to tender apologies. One, we want to apologize to Nigeria on behalf of the National Assembly because of the reckless statement coming from the first son of the First Lady. That's Akpabio, who said he's the first son of the First Lady. This is not the culture of legislators. He's not speaking for the legislators. Nigerians should take note of this. Secondly, as you mentioned, I should speak for the Northeast. We want to tender apology to Nigerians on behalf of the good people of the Northeast. Nafiu Bala is from Northeast, so I've been ashamed sometimes to hear they are adding Gombe in his name, because this is not our culture. People of Northeast are known to be people of integrity. Nafiu Bala consented to all the process that brought David Mark-led executive into existence. I think so. The first NEC meeting ADC held regarding the constitution of this coalition was on the 29th May 2024 in Nikon Luxury. 2024 in Nikon Luxury, which I attended as observer. I was invited to that meeting. In that meeting, in their agenda, item 10 stated they mandated the NWC on behalf of the NEC to continue discussion with various groups to form either merger, coalition, collaboration with various groups to form a strong opposition. Based on that, the NWC engaged with various groups to agree on the terms of coalition. And the ABC Constitution, NEC or NWC will take decision on behalf of the NEC. And also in the same constitution, empowered the national chairman to take the same decision. They have this national chairman have the same power to take decision on behalf of the NEC, pending when they will convene a NEC meeting to ratify that decision. And all those meetings, Nafiu attended. And he have assented to all the decisions that have been taken. So we feel ashamed if they are addressing Nasiru as somebody who came from Northeast. So we are calling Nigerians to treat Nafiu as Nafiu, not somebody from Gombe or from Northeast, because it is not in our culture. Secondly, I'm calling on Nigerians, like my brother said, silence is just always golden. Sometimes if you keep silent, the silence will take you to graves. You will be permanently silent in the grave. This is the time that we should wake up. We should take our destinies into our hands. I have never seen a people that have so much appetite for money like this government. If we allow these people to continue, they should either sell Nigeria or buy Nigeria. This is the truth. Decision left for us to take. Whether he's afraid or not, he will realize it on the election day. Inshallah, ADC will arise and shine. Thank you.